Hi guys, I'm Ashif Ali and watching CGHOW video, and this is my third level up effect in this series, and I will create these effects from scratch, but this base animation material is already done in the first tutorial of level up effects. I have shown the video in this video, you can check that. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So this is my third level up effect. You can see the level up 3, and before this I have already created 2. And in this video you will see I have already a sequencer and I have an animation, and this animation has this Fresnel material also applied. So these things I am not doing again because this all setup I created from scratch in this video, in this first one. In this second one, I used the same preset from here. Then I created a lightning effect. So in this one, you will just see the lightning from scratch and the base setup. You should watch this tutorial level up first video. Okay. So like here in this video, I'm using the base setup of my lightning, the color and everything, but I don't have any effects here. So first we need to change the color. So I'll show you where I put those things. These are my materials. These are my materials, and these are actually instance materials. So if I open the master material from here, this is the master material, and in this one, this is the default Unreal Engine material. And these nodes I just added. In these nodes, we have 3 parameters: Fresnel power, Fresnel intensity, Fresnel color. And these are going to the emissive. So this